want to know the truth of where this damn virus came from and China's complicit behavior, their cover-up, their lying, the fact that we have millions dead worldwide. We have, what, knocking on 600,000 dead in the U.S. alone, and that number's low. It is believed that we have upwards of 1 million that have actually died from coronavirus complications here in the United States. So most likely it's knocking on 1 million, not knocking on 600,000 in this country. And then, of course, it's millions worldwide. What is it, about 3.5 million worldwide, somewhere in that vicinity, as far as the deaths? And that's going to dramatically go up once the tally is completed with what's going on in India right now. You also have a new outbreak, obviously, in Japan, and, you know, should they have the Olympics? No, of course not. Same reason why I want to know the origins. I want to be able to hold the Chinese Communist government responsible. The world is owed reparations. The world is owed trillions of dollars from the Chinese government, no doubt about it. It becomes even more destructive, I think, and they're more complicit if it was the lab leak, clearly, but responsible either way. I want them held responsible. And as a companion comparison, January 6th, I want to know the origins of the insurrection. I want to know everything there is to know. That's why I do support a commission. I support an absolutely, truly split, bipartisan commission with absolute checks and balances to make sure there's no funny business. And that we get the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Now let's see what Biden's call delivers. Let's see what the report's going to say and what we can dig up. And listen, it's going to take insiders. It's going to take a good deal of spying. It's going to take just some good old-fashioned intelligence community work to get this done. And let's see what they present. And will we, the general public, will we, the American people, will we get the unvarnished real story, or will there be things that are held back? I sure as hell hope not. Let's talk money for a second. Let's talk inflation. It's here. Let's quit fooling ourselves, folks. Inflation is here. Look what's going on with food prices. You go to the supermarket, you see what's going on with your vegetables, with your various produce items. You see what's going on with chicken. You see what's going on with meat, with beef and pork. Prices are going up. What about other consumer goods? Prices are going up on everything. That's called inflation. The value of the dollar is continuing to slump. We've got the unprecedented money printing. We have inflation, which is hitting. It is important now, more than ever, to protect your savings and retirement from inflation. Many hardworking Americans, just like you, just like me, we've turned to a proven method to protect what we have worked so hard to earn, and that's real gold. In fact, thousands of people have already had real gold and silver delivered privately to their homes, or they've had real gold and silver in their IRA or 401k. How do you get real gold and silver? Well, it is easy. You call the Oxford Gold Group at 833-707-GOLD. They're going to teach you everything you want to know about owning real gold and silver. It's a lot easier than you think. Call the Oxford Gold Group. Every financial professional that I've ever known has always recommended a portion of your